Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm making another video. Now, this is how you get face for Roblox. So now I want to do it must be like 800. No, 9. No, I mean, I'm just thinking 128 by 128. That has to be pink, and the color then must be 32 in order to work. Now, you have to replace that face.png. Which face? Roblox face. See search. And it has to be just use Photoshop here. Save as. Save this one as. And you wanna go to Photoshop. So you just need to wait until Photoshop loads. So I want to speed this video up. It's new, press Control N. Well, add a new document and and 128 and by 128. And you want to press create, and because now you have the image, you have it now, and you remove it and place it. Okay, do this zoom, and then you want to delete this. It looks like file. I'm just gonna do what's Roblox style, get 6 closing files. Then you want to go to Roblox versions, the latest client version, content, pictures, and paste it here and do face. You press save, but it's gonna do to everyone who has the same face in Roblox. It's locked. I don't have permission. I think I don't have permission. And one that content. I think I don't have this is pulling files. You don't have permission. Can I modify? You can modify the files. Everyone, so principal, modify, and press OK, and apply, cancel. I want to do ping, face.png, because now I have permission. See, I have permission now because it's my computer. This is my personal computer, so we're just go disconnect the VPN and go to Roblox. If you run any faces, it won't work for you. Let's go to Roblox.com, the main site. So you're now in Roblox.com, so it could take a while to load because it just disconnected the VPN, and I want to close Photoshop. Because that's gonna use all these stuff that I did. So you want to close Photoshop, suspended, and tax, and that's it. Then you want to avatar, and you want to remove like this face, and go to games. Yeah, so just for a game example. I won't get like copyrighted, and I know it's like. Okay, this is jailbreak. Okay, now you're in jailbreak. Okay, this is jailbreak now. I'm playing jailbreak, and this is any game, and that face didn't work. So Roblox client is that'll be here. It's app data local, so that's wrong. After I open Photoshop again, and after I unload the volume, after I use Photoshop and add my place again, so it's gonna like leave the game, quit the game, and wait until Photoshop is finished loading, cause I did it like wrong. I did it wrong. Users, your username, and have that look like your username goes like your username, like new, the one that I just did. And it's loading now. And wait until I want to delete the back. I have to do it again because I did it wrong. And save as. Face.png textures. Okay, replace, because I already modified the file. Open Roblox, now loading, connect to Roblox, starting Roblox, just starting the game. I hope it works. Okay, launching jailbreak. This is jailbreak. Like prisoner. He's supposed to look like it's like loading textures. See, it worked. It worked now. See, now this is your face. See, your face goes here. Like it's gonna do like for this guy. It's just like loading the textures now. It's gonna have the same face as me. But when he like sees me, he thinks I won't have that face. But when players like see you, he won't have like the face. Like this guy, for example, like him. Like the textures are just like loading now. See, it's like loading like textures, but that guy exited the game. So, but like the textures on like mute the volume, have setting. You can like repeat again on the Roblox. Like not that guy. Like people don't have like the same face. Like pair jailbreak a little bit and see. Let's see, like I can't see like the texture. See like the front of his face. See, that's how you get faces. See, my character is that guy. Click and see. And that guy. Jailbreak. And that's it. That's how you get custom. He's gonna like caught me. These there's a player now. And that's it. I'm just gonna exit. That's how you get custom textures in Roblox. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, enable notifications, and press the bell icon. Peace out.